Dell 850 watt power supply out of a Alienware R6. So on the bottom here we have some screws. And already it wants to come apart. Well, that was easier than I thought. I'll cut the zip tie that holds the fan on. Inside here there's 4 screws. Looks like on the back, these 2 screws here will allow me to take the back cover off. And if I unclip, here we go. Okay, so I was able to remove the clip in the middle here. It didn't come out in one piece. I did this off camera because it just took so long and it's just stuffed. So now I can separate it. I'll just unclip it from the power connector. And I'm just going to unscrew it. From here. And there's more. So the easy way out, obviously, is to cut it. So here's the bottom part of the case. And there's the bottom of the board. I've still got that backing plate on. I'll just remove this back plate. And looks like I can remove this now if I unscrew these terminals. And that's that. That's quite funky. So that's about as far as I can go with it. I don't repair power supplies. This one doesn't have a fuse, or not one I can find either. The machine it powered was a Intel 9900. I end up replacing it with a 750 watt standard power supply. I think an 850 watt is overrated for what it was driving. So when I was repairing this system, I rang up Dell to find out what CPU was in it. I wanted to work out the viability of repairing the system. When you ring up Dell and speak to their support staff, they are all called engineers. I'm not an engineer, but they are. So if you ask yourself, how many engineers does it take to find out what CPU is in your system? The answer is 4 phone calls, 3 engineers, and over 1 hour to look up to find out what CPU is in your computer using the Dell service tags. I hope this gives you a bit of an insight on what's inside these power supplies. See you in the next video.